July 2019, I got the opportunity to travel to Northeast India for the first time with Outlook Responsible Tourism and Arunachal Pradesh Tourism.
Glad you came. Glad you managed to navigate the roads of Arunachal Pradesh.
Which led to this.
Hey everybody, we have made it to Dirang!
While we were here to attend the conference, we had 48 hours in total. And well, we had to make the most of it. The landscapes had to be seen, the culture had to be experienced, and the people had to be met. We started our first day by visiting Thembang Heritage Village, meeting the locals, having chai, and being absolutely stunned by the landscapes the Northeast had to offer.
Okay, we've now made it to Thembang Zong, which is a fort. Once upon a time, it used to be like the administrative place for the village. That right there is the Thembang village.
The structural outlook of a fort in the Northeast is a lot different from what we see around the country. This fort was built to protect the villagers during the time of war, and a local story we were told states that the head of the martyrs are buried under this structure of the fort.
This school playground used to be a battlefield at one point. What?
After visiting Thembang Zong, which is home to 45 families currently, we walked back to the village for a lunch full of local flavors, which was nothing less than a feast.
See you again.
See you again.
Yes.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Pleasure hosting you guys.
It was lovely being here. Thank you.
Welcome.
After spending a few quality hours at Thembang with the locals, we drove to the main town of Dirang to explore the local weaving workshops and some of the local attire, which has actually been in their families for over 400 years. We got to see the process up close in the making, and well, let's just say I'm never taking a piece of cloth for granted ever again. 24 hours done, 24 more to go.
We have made it to Mandala. This place is like 45 minutes away from where we were staying at Dirang. It is so cold right now, and it's also foggy.
Hi, I'm Isha.
And Antrik, it's your turn.
Hi, I'm Antrik.
Why are you being like such a fifth standard good student type? Welcome to our madness.
We are freezing our asses in the cold, and apparently we are at the altitude of
Leh.
Altitude.
Altitude.
अरे
Altitude.
tomato,
Altitude.
tomato यार क्या है ये? Ranveer Singh. I'm gonna send people to your feed. Oh, also, and he did a video with Dan Mace. Who's your most famous friend?
You?
What rubbish? Excuse. I just dropped my phone on the ground. Oh my
Hey, Shoo! Keep quiet.
Shivam thinks he's a dog whisperer and it's not working.
Okay.
They're just giving him stink eyes.
is the best right now?
Pixel. I want
Amidst the stress test and the fog, we met some more travelers, shared some chai, and a bunch of stories from around the world.
This is currently our view. We just came down from Mandala, and the La in the Mandala, I just got to know, means a pass in Tibetan. We're now on our way back to Dirang, and then we're going to be attending the conference with Outlook Traveler on sustainable development. So enough of being touristy for the day. It's time to get to some serious work. So let's do that.
This forum, organized by Outlook Responsible Tourism, is a medium to reach out to rural India, explain responsible and sustainable tourism, and also help them build a plan for their own local businesses and help generate more income through tourism. After the forum concluded, we realized that we did have a few extra hours in hand. And well, we found a new location.
We just spent the last 1 hour at this monastery, and there's just something about these monasteries, it's just so magical, and the vibes are so like intense. It is so nice. I just decided to sit down and we've been with our cameras throughout the day, so I just chose to keep my camera away, do some time lapses, and sat down with my notebook, wrote some things, and feel so good.
After all that peaceful time at the monastery, we headed to Dirang Zong. Place is called Dirang Zong, and this structure behind me, this massive rock structure, stone structure rather, is it used to be a jail at one point. Now it's obviously not operational anymore, and nobody lives around it either. It's just there.
That brings us to the end of this vlog. Dirang is absolutely beautiful, and Outlook, thank you for making this whole experience possible. It's been so surreal. Dirang is beautiful. You all should totally visit Dirang, and if you all like this video, you all should like, share, comment, subscribe, and seize infinity.
कौन सा डांस है ये?
सोचने दे, कोई ऐसे कूल सा ट्रैवल सॉन्ग सोचने दे.
मनाली ट्रांस.
Tudung tung tudung tung 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 tudung tung tudung tung 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 tudung tung tudung.